Well, hello and welcome to the channel. I'm Cindy Daychuk with Queen Bee Creations. Thanks for tuning in. I'm just looking at doing a very quick, simple little ornament for the tree. I just need a little something else here in the shop, so I thought that I'd take you along with me. So what I do have is a big bag of these little wooden, oh my gosh, okay, curtains. Going, what's the word? What's the word? You know those things that are drapes, curtains, yes. So they have a little eye ring already attached in there, and they're lovely, they're wood. Now, I'm gonna leave them natural. You could paint them out if you want to. You could wrap ribbon around them or jute if you want to. So if you wanna switch up the base, go ahead. And especially if you're picking them up maybe or something like this from the dollar store and it's plastic, then you might want to wrap ribbon around it or paint it or do something to zhuzh it up a little. But the idea with this is really keep it simple. So I have things that I already have here in the shop. So I have some little gold stars. Now these are ornaments from the dollar store, right? They just come in a pack like this. They're too big with that little ornament hanger, but you know what? They're perfect if you just pop the little hanging thing off of it. I have little acorns. I have jingle bells and some in red, and I have berries, and I have greenery, and it's just a free-for-all. It's a do what you want with what you've got kind of idea. I think that if you had kids, they might like to glue in like a little army man or a little dinosaur or a little Lego man, as long as it's something they could part with or get little inexpensive figurines from the dollar store. So really what we're looking at doing, let me do one maybe with this little acorn that I've got. So I have some hot glue, and as I'm doing the hot glue, I'm realizing I can't see what I'm doing because my glasses are on my head. All right, and I'm just going to glue my little, I think I said acorn, it's a pine cone. You all probably knew that already. So I'm just gonna glue that in place. And I have some little red bows, so some sparkly ones, some basic ones. So, you know, again, we're just doing whatever. So I've got my little pine cone in there. All right, I'm gonna need another one to prop it up because he's not dry. But let me just take a cup and I'll prop him against my cup while I get a little bit of greenery here. So it needs a little bit of greenery here and there-ish. And these are just little pieces off of an old thrifted, I think it was like a really ugly topiary. So I bought it, and I'm sure that as I'm cashing out, I got it at a thrift store, and I'm sure as I'm cashing out, people are looking, thinking, okay, why is she buying that ugly thing? But I buy it for the greenery, right? I'm gonna need these little pieces for things. So this will be perfect with just a little bit of the greenery glued in. Oh, I've got some little red berries. Not here, but I have some red berries. So I'm gonna go grab those and I'll glue these in. And while they're drying, I'll grab the other and then I'll come back with my berries. For some of your little items, you may find that they've got a little hook on the bottom like the bells do, or this little bell, in which case for those, somewhere on my table, here we go, I would just take like a really thin wire And this is so thin, you can cut it with scissors. And just, let me do my little gold bell. So just string that up, and you can wrap it around and just take it through. If you have, like I do, an eye hook already up there, I would just take it through the eye hook. And that's going to just let you kind of keep it in place. If we just wrapped it around the wood frame, it might start slipping down if you hadn't glued it in place. But I'm just going to wire it in, do a couple of quick twists around my hook, cut off the excess, and then I can just decorate those up as I am any of the others, because they're going to be hidden. So you can hang any of those other little pieces and add on your little berries, add on a little bit of the greenery and a tiny little bow, and you're set. Add a little ornament hook to it. These are the ones that I made in my short, and you're done. You're ready to go. So nice and quick, nice and simple, nice and inexpensive, cute little decorations for your tree. Hope you enjoy, guys. As always, let me know what you think. Look forward to seeing you on the next one. Until then, take care.